they can last for years. These are grow bags. They will be used for 3 or 4 years only. After that they will be spoiled and wrinkled. So you can use old curd buckets, etc. You can place these pots on the beams of our terrace garden. In that way there will be no danger to our terrace. So lightweight soil also can be used with cocoa peat and soil and kitchen waste only. In that way you can make lightweight to our terrace. So what is garden soil? Garden soil will be a mixture of ordinary soil, cocoa peat, vermicompost or kitchen compost, sand, neem cake or bone meal. Here is ordinary soil, here is cocoa peat, here is vermicompost. Here is sand, here is neem cake powder. In that way you can mix all these things and make a garden soil for plants. You can request who are building a new house for ordinary soil, or nursery people will sell all kind of the above garden soil, etc. Or you can get these things from online from Amazon or Flipkart. Now how can you build a pandal for climbers? Now look at the above pandal. It is horizontal. You can build a vertical pandal instead of horizontal pandal so that vegetable creepers will climb very easily. This is vertical pandal. These kind of vertical pandals are built with the help of ropes. So it is always useful vertical pandals instead of horizontal pandals. What kind of plants, vegetables can be planted? Along with flower plants, fruit plants, medicinal plants, you can grow leafy vegetables. Sorrel, that is gongora. These are plants of sorrel, gongora. Look at the coriander plants. These are coriander plants. You can plant seeds in these seed pads also. They will easily grow in this seed trays. And vegetable plants like wakara and eggplants. These plants will grow very easily, and tomato plants also. and climbers like cucumbers, bitter gourd, ridge gourd, etc. This is ridge gourd. This plant is ridge gourd. It is cucumber. This is also ridge gourd. This is bitter gourd. Bitter gourd plant. How to water our plants? You can use battery sprayers with this. This is a battery sprayer. With this you can pump water from tank. So these taps will provide water. This tank is useful for supplying water to our plants. You can pour water one time for small plants in the morning or afternoon, 2 times for bigger plants. 2 times for bigger plants. What about flower plants? Flower plants are very useful to the whole world. We live because of bees. Einstein told that if bees are not on the globe, the whole world will die within 1 or 2 years. So bees gather honey at the same time they pollinate the plant flowers so that plants bear nuts, fruits, etc. as our food. We have to grow flower plants like roses, hibiscus, jasmine. This is jasmine. These are bougainvillea, malathi, chamomile flower, etc. etc. Here are there among our plants to attract bees. So these are some of the tips I give for beginners of terrace garden. Thank you very much for watching this video.